For centuries, humanity has gazed at the stars with wonder. We have longed to explore the cosmos, to break free from Earth's gravity, and to experience the universe firsthand. Today, this dream is becoming a reality. Space tourism, once a concept confined to science fiction, is emerging as a new frontier in travel and exploration. The desire to venture beyond Earth is deeply ingrained in our nature. We are a species of explorers, driven by curiosity and a thirst for discovery. Space tourism taps into this fundamental human urge, offering the ultimate adventure, a journey to the final frontier. The industry is still in its infancy, with limited flights and a high price tag, yet the progress made in recent years is undeniable. Private companies, fueled by innovation and a spirit of adventure, are pushing the boundaries of space travel, making it possible for ordinary citizens to experience the awe and wonder of spaceflight. This is just the beginning. As technology advances and costs decrease, space tourism is poised to become more accessible, opening up a universe of possibilities for exploration, research, and the expansion of human presence in the cosmos. Imagine a future where space travel is no longer a distant dream but a tangible reality, available to those who dare to reach for the stars. The quest to democratize space travel is being spearheaded by visionary entrepreneurs and their companies. Among the most prominent players are Virgin Galactic, Blue Origin, and SpaceX, each contributing unique innovations and approaches to space tourism. Richard Branson's Virgin Galactic offers suborbital flights aboard its sleek Spaceship Two, designed to provide a taste of space with breathtaking views of Earth and a few minutes of weightlessness. Jeff Bezos's Blue Origin focuses on a similar suborbital experience with its New Shepard rocket, emphasizing passenger comfort and large windows for panoramic views of our planet. Elon Musk's SpaceX has set its sights even higher. With its Falcon rockets and Dragon spacecraft, SpaceX has already transported astronauts to the International Space Station and is developing Starship, a fully reusable spacecraft designed for deep space travel, with the ambitious goal of sending humans to Mars. These companies, along with others emerging in the space tourism sector, are not merely offering rides to space, they are pioneering new technologies, pushing the boundaries of engineering, and inspiring a new generation of scientists, engineers, and space enthusiasts. The current landscape of space tourism offers a range of experiences from brief suborbital flights to ambitious missions orbiting Earth and beyond. Suborbital flights, such as those offered by Virgin Galactic and Blue Origin, provide a taste of space, reaching altitudes high enough to experience weightlessness and witness the curvature of our planet. For those seeking a more immersive experience, orbital missions offer the opportunity to spend several days in space, orbiting Earth and conducting research or simply marveling at the beauty of our planet from a unique vantage point. SpaceX has already flown private citizens to the International Space Station, and other companies are developing dedicated space stations designed specifically for tourism and research. Looking further into the future, lunar missions are capturing the imagination of both space enthusiasts and companies. SpaceX's ambitious Dear Moon project aims to send a crew of artists and creatives on a free return trajectory around the moon, while NASA's Artemis program plans to establish a sustainable presence on the lunar surface, potentially opening up opportunities for lunar tourism in the coming decades. From brief suborbital hops to extended stays in Earth orbit and dreams of lunar exploration, the possibilities for space tourism are expanding rapidly, offering adventurers of all levels the chance to experience the wonder and majesty of space travel. Section 4. The astronomical price tag of adventure luxury in the void. Space tourism comes at an extraordinary price, reserved for the ultra-wealthy. A seat on a suborbital flight can cost millions, reflecting the investment in spaceflight technologies. As technology advances, costs are expected to decrease, making space tourism more accessible. The allure of weightlessness and the view of Earth motivates those who can afford it. Early space tourists are pioneers, paving the way for more accessible space travel. Section 5. Engineering marvels, making spaceflight safer and more accessible. The dream of space tourism is fueled by remarkable advancements in aerospace engineering, driven by innovation and a relentless pursuit of safety and reliability. Reusable rockets, a key innovation pioneered by companies like SpaceX, have significantly reduced the cost of spaceflight by allowing launch vehicles to be flown multiple times. Capsule designs, with their inherent safety features and ability to accommodate passengers comfortably, have become the preferred spacecraft for human spaceflight. These capsules are equipped with advanced life support systems, radiation shielding, and emergency abort systems to ensure the safety of those on board. Safety improvements are paramount in space tourism. Rigorous testing, redundant systems, and stringent safety protocols are implemented at every stage, from spacecraft design and manufacturing to astronaut training and mission control operations. The industry is committed to ensuring the safety and well-being of space tourists, recognizing that public trust is essential for the long-term success of space tourism. These technological marvels, combined with a steadfast commitment to safety, are making spaceflight more reliable and accessible, paving the way for a future where journeys beyond Earth are no longer extraordinary feats of engineering, but routine occurrences. Section 6. The Ultimate Journey, from Earthbound Training to the Silence of Space. Preparing for a spaceflight is an immersive and demanding experience, requiring physical and mental conditioning to withstand the rigors of launch, space travel, and re-entry. Aspiring space tourists undergo rigorous training programs that simulate the G-forces experienced during launch and landing, teach them how to operate within the confines of a spacecraft, and prepare them for the unique challenges of living in a microgravity environment. Training includes centrifuge sessions to build G-tolerance, zero-gravity flights to acclimate to weightlessness, and simulations of emergency procedures. Participants learn about spacecraft systems, orbital mechanics, and basic spaceflight operations, gaining an appreciation for the complexity and precision required for safe and successful space travel. Once in space, the experience is transformative. Floating weightlessly, witnessing the Earth in its entirety, and gazing out at the vastness of the cosmos, evokes a profound sense of awe and wonder. Space tourists often describe the experience as life-changing, shifting their perspective on our place in the universe and fostering a deeper appreciation for the fragility and interconnectedness of life on Earth. The journey of a space tourist, from rigorous Earthbound training to the awe-inspiring experience of spaceflight, is a testament to human ingenuity, resilience, and the innate desire to explore the unknown. Section 7. A Future Among the Stars, Expanding Horizons and Inspiring New Generations. Space tourism is revolutionizing our relationship with the cosmos, inspiring new industries and scientific discoveries. Reusable spacecraft and advanced propulsion systems are making space access more affordable. The future may include orbital hotels with breathtaking Earth views, lunar bases for extended stays, and expeditions to Mars, pushing human exploration boundaries. Space tourism can inspire future generations. Ordinary people in space can ignite a passion for STEM fields. As we venture further, we carry the dreams of past generations and inspire future ones.